We're going to show you how to install this bushing retainer cup on the Ranger XP 1000 secondary. Should know what it's for. You know, we got a video explaining it, year models, etc. So it's just time to put it on. I highly suggest a spring compressor. The Hunterworks will be as good as any. You're going to pull your secondary off per our video. We'll put a link at the end of this one so I can show you how to get it off. Just go overhead view real quick. Just twist and pick up. Set that to the side. Set this down on your spring compressor. Like I said, if it's a Hunterworks, we have a washer. Get your handle on. All right, just you want to get it held down in place so it don't want to move. I like to use an impact. It takes a T50.
This one's never been out. This is my personal unit. The angle is a little bit off with this. So be careful.
Okay. Set your bolts to the side. Take off. It would be probably not the worst idea. These two halves are balanced. You can buy them separately. But it's never a bad idea before you separate the two halves. Put you a black mark on it. Like I said, it's not critical. And you could do it on your helix and then on the side, just so you know, FYI, again, when they sell separate parts, that means that they don't have to go back in a certain place. Only when you cannot buy all the parts does it mean it's a balanced assembly, but it's never a bad idea. Somewhere. All right, pretty simple really. Just take your bushing retainer, put it over the holes, and then take your washer and compressor and go back again. So get our line back up so we can get back exactly in the same spot. Let's see, here we go. Now it will behoove you sometimes, if you don't get that spring cup in exactly the right place, you can put a bolts in to make sure it lined up. I just got lucky this particular time. Okay, get it real close. Don't go all the way down. You want to get your screws started. I'm going to take some blue Loctite, put a little on each bolt. And then put them in the hole and get them started before you go all the way down, because you can move it. Once you go all the way down, there's no moving.
Okay.
All right, now we can come on down with it. I'm going to show you a really good reason to have a spring compressor, and I hope the Hunterworks one. We're going to run it back down with impact till it touches, but just bottoms out. All right, we'll take our T50 off, and at this point we're going to go ahead and tighten her down pretty good. Hold it in place, get our torque wrench out, set it to 32 foot-pounds. I would double check, I always tell people to double check your service manual. There's 32. Because without the spring compressor, you have no way of holding this good. And it just, I mean, you're gonna to have something. And if you're gonna own these vehicles, having good quality tools is just a must, and you're gonna use them over and over. Look at there, see, it wants to turn. There it goes. Take your handle back off. You are done. Stick it back in your secondary and it's ready to go back on. Pretty simple really. Like I said in the intro video, just keeps that bushing from coming out on these 18 3-seater to 20 models. So check it out. You can also see our videos on complete whole secondary clutches we'll have for sale, or if you just need a back half, low mileage, this is good, this isn't due to the bushing, we'll sell you a back half. So check them out on the website as well. Don't forget, best belts on the planet. Subscribe, like. Got any questions on this, shoot me an email, Todd@hunterworks.com.